We're gonna get Vivian a popsicle. Hold on. Okay. Ice cream popsicle. Can you hold it, Vivian? Do you like it? That's Big Brother's Crayola ice cream. But don't touch it with your hand. It's cold. You got it? Not with your hand, Vivian. Oh, you're gonna bite off of it. Vivian, you can bite off of it. You bite off of it, you're gonna get a frozen brain. Let's get a napkin. Let's clean it up. How about you show us the little licks you do on it? Man, girlfriend, you're not letting that go, are you? Little one. There. That's how you eat it. There. No. There. Oh! There, you ready to let go of it? Are you ready to let go of it, Vivian? You want to show us how you eat it? Don't get it like that. It's cold. Okay, here. I'm sorry. You're going to get me all sticky. Oh, we're going to quit right now.